work. This particular software makes money a minimum of 50 to 200% for you on daily basis, and it focus on a new listed coin that is in the desk screener. Okay, so when I bought this particular software, I try to make use of it for some time and to see if this particular software is profitable and how it works, so before I can give it to my VIP members, okay, for them to do what, to make money. And after that, for the past 8 days now, my account is now at 55 USDT. I started this particular trade with just 6 USDT. Okay, I find out that it was very, very highly profitable. And if you take a look at here, down here, you can see that this particular software have already bought another coin for me, okay, called the official. Okay, this particular the official was just a new listed coin, and the software gave me a signal to buy. Okay, and when I bought this particular software coin, it was below, this particular coin was below 700 market cap. Okay, 700,000 market cap. So before you know it, I made almost 150%. Okay, yes, just this morning. Okay, so 150% of my I'm using 20 USD to do it. Okay, and how it work, I'm going to be sharing with you guys step by step and how to do this. Okay, you start small and leverage on it. I started with $6, and if I make profit, I keep it. If I make profit until I get to 30 something USDT, I started using 20 USD in one trade. Okay, so in 20 USDT, I make more money on daily basis, and I send to my Bybit. Okay, so I've made so much money from this particular software. I'm going to teach you guys on how this particular software work. Okay, so if you have not subscribed to this channel, make sure you subscribe to this channel and turn up the notification bell, so whenever I upload a new video, you get to know about it and to make money with it. Okay, all these coin you are seeing here are just new listed coin. Okay, but the question here is, are they profitable? Can somebody make money from all these new token? So the answer is yes, you can make money from all these new tokens, but you need to master the skill. You need to have a good proper strategy that works in it. Okay, so now when I started making trading on this particular meme coin, there was a time I lose a lot of money because of log pool. So it made me to do what? To make a proper research on how to make money here. So I later, 3 weeks ago, I realized that there is a software that I can use to engage all these new listed tokens. So how to do that is to bind this desk screener with the bot. So this particular bot, use it hand to find a good proper coin that is just a new listed coin and buy them. Okay, just like this particular one that is called BTC button. Okay, so but this particular software have not given me this particular coin to buy. Okay, so how it work, just like this particular one you are seeing here. Okay, the 93 of it is I bought it. Okay, and I made 155% of my money from it. And how does this thing work? This particular software that we have bought generate the signal on its own. Okay, and what you needed to do is just to watch the bot give you the coin and you buy, and the bot uses its hand to do what? To tell you when to close the market. And we have been profitable for a very long time. I started this particular trade with just 6 USDT, and now I'm at 55 USDT. Now let me share something with you guys here. Don't be, one good thing I love about this particular trade is that you can start it with just $5, $3, $10. Okay, let me show something here. Let me share this with you. Let me go back, because the same people that created this particular token, which is 76, was the same people that created the last one I bought. Okay, I made almost 150% on it. So now let's come to this particular place. So if you take a look at this particular coin, this coin have lasted for just 2 days to 3 days. Okay, now let me show you. And this particular software has powerful, it doesn't just buy anyhow random coin. Okay, once in a day you buy the coin. And this particular bot, if you have not joined my VIP group, if you doesn't have money to buy the software, which is so that 46 USDT, you can join my VIP group, so that whenever the software gives me a coin to buy, I give it to my VIP people that doesn't have much to spend. Okay, so you can contact me. My contact details is down below this video. So if you take a look at this particular play, this is just the same coin, okay, we are talking about. So if you take a proper look at this particular, just take a look at this particular place. If you take a look at here, you find out that there is somebody here, okay, which use only 37 USDT. Just like me, I am now using 20 USDT to do what? To make trades. Okay, so now look at this person who used $37 to trade. Let's see how much this person made. So over here you will find out that this person made 1,777 USDT dollars, and so on and so forth. Okay, there are many. Look at this particular person who used 325 to make 1,922. These particular people are not just an ordinary person. Okay, they didn't just enter the market just like that. Okay, these people are the insider. So this particular software give us an insider notice. Okay, give us exactly the same way this guy made this particular money is by knowing something that the people that are creating the coin knows. Okay, so you can easily use 5 USDT. Just like me, I started with 6 USDT. You can use it to do what? To make a lot of money here. Okay, so now how the software works is that when you buy this particular software, which is so that 46 USDT, now you install it in your Phantom wallet, just like my own Phantom wallet here. Let me show you. So as you can see here, the bot have already finally sold my coin. Okay, it have sold that particular coin. So now this, you can see I have a balance of 53 here now, but when we started this particular video it was around 55. Okay, so now the software take a little percent of what you make, just 0.10%, 0.10%, okay, of your total profit and capital, everything. Okay, so if you are swapping back 50 USDT, it will take 0.10% of 50 USDT or 1,000 USDT. Okay, so now you can see after swapping I have a balance of 53.71. now you can see I now have Solana. Okay, so you can see this is my Solana balance. Okay, but before I was having a coin which have already been sold. Okay, I started this particular trade with 6 USDT. I continue to leverage. What do I mean by leverage? You can join my VIP right away. Okay, send me DM on WhatsApp or Telegram. The link is down below this video. Okay, if you want to get started immediately and start making money. Okay, so now immediately the coin get to a particular destination. Okay, sometimes I set my own to 200%. That's my maximum. Okay, so and there is no loss in it, there is no risk. And the reason why I have not lose money here is because I started small. Anything in crypto that require big money, you might not make anything. So I started with 6, and when I use 6, I made 3. I made 3, I made 4. I continue to compound them, keep them. And when it comes to 15, I use 10. When I grew to 30 something, I used 20. So with the level where I am now, I'm using 20 USDT to trade. Okay, and I keep the balance. That is my profit. Okay, so at this particular coin I sold, I bought it with 19 point something US Solana, that is USDT worth of Solana, okay, and I made 47 to 48 USD. You can imagine that. That is close to, let's say, 100 and something percent of my money. Okay, that is close to 150%, 140 something to 150 something percent of my money just in one day. You should imagine if I've used 1000 USDT, I would have made extra 1500. This is how this thing works. Okay, so now you can join us and start. If you want to know more about how this boat works and how you can start making money with it, even if you don't have up to the money to buy the boat, there is still a way out for you. Okay, so you can send me DM on Telegram and let's get started. Okay, get started and start making money. You don't need to wait for anybody to make money in the